guys, welcome back to Toca Cake. So today we are going to be checking out the brand new summer vacation house thingy, whatever you want to call it, and let's check it out. Okay, and waiting. Whoa, guys, how did we teleport here so fast? Whoa, so there's a pool. Hold on, let's quickly get somebody in the pool. Let's take... Well, let's take in my Toca Cake character. Oh, this is a legit pool. Wow. But we are going to have to make a few changes. So if I just... Okay guys, so for this I decided to do a villa. A summer villa, you know, there's like a... If you don't know what a villa is, it's actually like this like thing where you go if you don't want to have a hotel, but it's not like a private house. I'm pretty sure it's like a normal house, but I'm not really sure how to describe it, and I don't really know much about it, but I'm going to call it Sunset Villa. I know Sunset isn't related to my channel name at all, but that's what I'm deciding to do, okay? Don't judge me. And as you can see, I am doing stuff that I like, but anyways, here is some montage thingy. So I'm back, and here I'm just trying to do like, I don't really know what I'm trying to do, but I actually moved where these mirrors and stools were a bit later on in the video, because it's too small of a space. So yeah. Boring, but I got to do it. So anyways, in this Sunset Villa, I am gonna be making a nice cozy aesthetic-ish living room. Aesthetic-ish. So you can't judge me because I said aesthetic-ish, not aesthetic. But anyways, I'll go back to the musical. Okay, so I am starting on the bedroom of a Sunset Villa. So I'm going to add a nice proper canopy bed. Wardrobe from the Bohemian House updates. For some reason, I don't know why I just looked really pretty. Pineapple rug. A pineapple carpet. Oh, we need this in the world, people. Okay, but anyways, I was just checking out what this does. Just like things. But anyways, I am going to do something in the kitchen. Okay, here is the music again. Hi there and welcome to Sunset Villa. Here we provide the best, stuff because, this is a Toca Cake place, but anyways, this is the tour. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave